Good afternoon, everybody. It's Pipe Hooligan from cold and rainy South Carolina on a Tuesday afternoon. And I want to talk to you guys today about EP Pipes. So EP Pipes contacted me about a week ago and said, hey, I know that you do websites for other pipe makers. Can you take a look at my website and just give me a few pointers and take a look at it? I said, absolutely. And we started talking, and I saw this pipe that he had that I really liked. And then mysteriously it made its way to South Carolina. Not sure how these things happen, but they do. And I want to talk about the pipe because it's spectacular. I do like the look of olive wood. Absolutely love this. I love the copper. Being Southern, copper is kind of a throwback to our heritage when we made our own liquor and life was fun and we didn't have so much government involvement. But it's just a gorgeous pipe, green stem. Really nicely done. I love, again, this copper adornment on it. And again, if you look at the bowl, just a fantastic olive grain. It's a Mano block. It's a billiard, smooth finish. Just a wonderful, wonderful pipe. I really like it. And in fact, here very shortly, I'll be on a dog walk where we'll be taking this for its maiden voyage. It looks wonderful, drilled spot on. Just really a fantastic looking pipe. And when I started to look at his website and took a look at some of his pipes, and I'll post his website link in the description below so that you guys can take a look. But it's just, he has some really interesting pipes, and they're just so different. When you take a look at, you know, the beating heart of our passion or hobby, which is pipes and pipe tobacco. It's when you see people do something that's really interesting and really out there and on just the cutting edge of art. And these are not atypical designs. They're very just brilliant work, and absolutely love what Richard does. So if you get a chance, look at EP Pipes. He also has a line of tampers as well. That you can take a look at. He does some interesting stuff with some kind of special material, and they're really cool. He's actually got one that's spinning dice, so if you're a gambling type of person, you like dice, he's got a spinning dice tamper, which is really interesting, and they're all very, very reasonably priced. He's out of Bairdstown, Kentucky, so good Southern boy, like the rest of us. And does this as a hobby, just like most of us do. And again, functional, useful, beautiful art. And really, what more could we ask for? He also does make a line of stands, pipe stands as well. And a lot of them are made out of bourbon barrel staves. Being in Kentucky, obviously, he's got access to those things. So again, just a really interesting artist, and I'm looking to see how Richard grows and builds on where he's at right now. But again, it's EP Pipes. If you go to eppipes.com, you can take a look at his website. In fact, they've even right now, Richard's got a 25% off your entire order. Use promo code HOLIDAYS. So if you go to his website, take a look. I greatly appreciate it. There'll be another video out tomorrow. I did on the last live I did with West on Order of the Pipe, I had talked about getting some cigar leaf, and I got 4 of them, and I've been test smoking them. I actually broke down and bought a couple of clay pipes, and those will be coming up tomorrow. We talk about their tastes and their flavor profile and how they're going to fit into blends going forward. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, and we'll talk to you later.